In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view all pages in Canva. So this can be very helpful, but you can't like view all the pages in a large document, but you can view them all at the same time, but in a large kind of like view. And it's very helpful if you when you're designing, because imagine you're designing a presentation or a long document, looking at all the pages at once in a grid view. This can help you to see how everything flows together. So a good analogy is like stepping back and looking at your whole outfit before you leave the house to make sure everything looks good. So how we can achieve this? We can go to Canva, and here we have this arrow, and click on this to show pages. Now you'll be able to see all the pages here. But another way, we can also click on this button right here, grid view, and this way we can view all the pages again. And also click and drag to change the order. We can change the order like this, very fast, very easy. You can click on page if you want, will direct you to that page. You can click on the three dots here to actually copy, paste, add page, duplicate this page, delete this page. Also can duplicate a page using Ctrl+D. You can lock a page, hide or add some notes. Maybe you are, because you can share this, you can cooperate, work together for a project. Like to send this to someone, you can click on share and you can actually share. Copy the link, just need to select to anyone, and you can copy this link and share this to other people. It's good that you have this option to add some notes if they have to respect something, to guide, to follow some rules or something, so that can be very helpful. Now as you can see, as I said, as you can change the order, and this can be very helpful. You can also highlight, maybe you want to highlight everything. You can highlight like this everything, and you can right click, you can duplicate all the pages. Now you can also just highlight this portion, right click, and maybe delete 12 pages, or delete. You can also hold Control and select only specific pages. So I can click on this and then hold Control and the other one, so I can only select those pages. Now I can right click and delete pages. You can highlight this as well, right click, delete pages. So I hope you found this Canva tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or things that you like to know about Canva, or things that you don't know how to do but you like to know how, or you have a question, leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day.